Welcome back, savvy entrepreneurs, to another episode of Cash Flow Workshop. Today, we're delving deep into the world of affiliate marketing mastery. Buckle up because we're about to uncover the secrets to choosing profitable niches and maximizing those commissions. Affiliate marketing is a goldmine, but success depends on choosing the right niche. It's like selecting the perfect plot for a treasure hunt. You want something profitable and in demand. The first step? Research. Use tools to identify trending topics, explore keywords, and understand audience needs. This insight is your roadmap to a lucrative niche. Let's break it down. We're looking for niches with a hungry audience, products or services in demand, and reasonable competition. It's about finding that sweet spot. Take a look at these examples. From health and wellness to tech gadgets and digital courses, there's a niche for everyone. But success lies in how you approach it. Now, let's talk about maximizing those commissions. It's not just about finding a niche, it's about how you promote and leverage it. Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. When you promote a product through a unique affiliate link provided by the seller, and someone makes a purchase using that link, you earn a percentage of the sale as a commission. Choosing profitable niches. Research tools and keywords. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword planners, or affiliate network insights to identify trends and discover popular search terms related to potential niches. For instance, suppose you find that eco-friendly home products or health supplements are trending. These niches could be worth exploring. Audience demand. Look for niches with an existing demand or problems that need solving. For example, the rising interest in sustainable living might indicate a growing demand for eco-friendly products, making it a potentially profitable niche. Competition analysis. Analyze the competition within a niche. Highly saturated niches might be challenging for newcomers, while niches with little competition could mean untapped opportunities. Strike a balance between demand and competition. Examples of profitable niches. Fitness and wellness, supplements, workout gear, fitness programs, and healthy lifestyle products cater to a vast audience passionate about health and well-being. Tech gadgets and accessories. With the constant evolution of technology, gadgets, smartphone accessories, or smart home devices remain popular niches. Finance and investment. Educational courses, software, or tools related to personal finance, investing, or cryptocurrency could be lucrative niches, especially with growing interest in financial literacy. Maximizing affiliate commissions. Content variety. Create diverse content types like reviews, tutorials, comparison videos, and blog posts. These help your audience understand the product better and make informed purchasing decisions. Transparency and authenticity. Authenticity builds trust. Be honest in your reviews and recommendations. Your audience will value your opinion more if they sense authenticity in your promotion. Tracking metrics. Monitor performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and average order values. Understanding these metrics helps optimize your strategy, focus on what's working, and refine what's not. Example scenario. Let's say you run a YouTube channel focused on tech reviews. You decide to review a newly launched smartphone. In your video, you discuss its features, usability, and compare it to other models. You include an affiliate link in the video description. If viewers click on that link and purchase the phone, you'll earn a commission from the seller. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from understanding your audience's needs, offering valuable solutions, and maintaining authenticity in your recommendations. Flexibility and continuous learning about your niche and audience are key to thriving in affiliate marketing. Diversify your approach. Reviews, tutorials, comparison videos, these are your tools to showcase products authentically and connect with your audience. Let's say you're promoting fitness products as an affiliate through your blog or YouTube channel. Here are some key metrics you might track to gauge the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Click-through rate, center. Definition. The percentage of people who click on your affiliate links compared to the total number of visitors. Example. If your blog post receives 1,000 visitors, and 100 of them click on your affiliate links, your center would be 10%. Conversion rate. Definition. The percentage of visitors who complete the desired action, e.g., make a purchase, after clicking on your affiliate link. Example. Out of those 100 visitors who clicked on your affiliate links, 10 of them made a purchase. Therefore, your conversion rate would be 10%. Average order value, AOV. Definition. The average amount spent by customers in a single transaction. Example: if the total sales generated from your affiliate links amount to $1,000 and there were 50 transactions, your AOV would be $20, $1,000 divided by 50. Earnings per click, EPC. Definition: the average earnings generated per click on your affiliate links. Example: if your total earnings from affiliate sales are $200, and there were 200 clicks on your links, your EPC would be $1, $200 divided by 200 clicks. Return on investment, ROI. Definition: the ratio of the net profit generated from your affiliate marketing efforts to the cost of those efforts. Example: if you spent $50 on advertising or promotion to generate $200 in affiliate commissions, your ROI would be 300%, $200, $50, divided by $50, x 100. Tracking these metrics allows you to assess the effectiveness of your affiliate campaigns. For instance, if you notice a low center, you might consider optimizing your call to action or refining your content to encourage more clicks. Similarly, a high conversion rate but low AOV could indicate potential opportunities to upsell or promote higher value products. Regularly monitoring and optimizing based on these metrics can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing performance. Metrics matter. Keep a close eye on click-through rates, conversion rates, and average order values. Understanding these metrics helps optimize your strategy for maximum earnings. And there you have it, your guide to affiliate marketing mastery. Remember, success comes from strategic niche selection and smart promotion. Dive into your research, find that lucrative niche, and start boosting those commissions. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy marketing!